How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we are taking another look at Kodak. Yesterday, Kodak exploded, going all the way almost to $65 in its price, and now it's under that. It's half of that. So if anyone purchased any Kodak over $50, you are holding a bad bag, a very dangerous, rottening bag. Today is the fall of Kodak, and I only see it continuing to further fall. The reason why this whole thing occurred in the first place, as you guys know, and if you guys did not watch my videos that I made previously on Kodak, is that the Kodak got a government loan to start making pharmaceuticals. So in that turn, it made it become a pharmaceutical company. It was a hardware company making a lot of just gadgets and electronics here and there, and they have the supply chain to make basically anything. But with the government helping them, securing them a loan, they can start making generic drugs. And the public took that and raved. The first day it was announced, it went up. The stock price went up as much as, I believe, 3 to 400%. And it calmed down. I should have bought some and then sold the next day. That's something smart I should have done, because it went as high as approximately 1,000% gains in one day. So that day it exploded. The stock exploded. But unfortunately today, where we're at right now, it's the inevitable fall. Why? Because it was pumped up heavily by everyone around the country, around the world, whoever wanted to get a piece of the action buying in, and they were able to pump it up again after yesterday, after a decline to $33. They were able to bring back the stock price up to 46. As I said in my video yesterday, I was predicting that it was going to start trading in a very crazy range, and today it's confirming that that range was pretty true. I said approximately here. I don't remember exactly, but again, I do remember saying this. It was going to be very difficult. If the stock blew up once again to $60, then I'd be moving my range higher, maybe around here. It would go up to 60 and start trading between 40 to 50. But today that did not happen. Everyone basically cashed out and is trying to take profits or trying to at least break even. Unfortunately, the people who are going to be taking the stock to its new price tag of where I believe it will start trading at in the future is going to be between $10 to $20 next week. And the reason for that is because, again, a lot of people are starting to sell, take in gains or cash out losses. But then on Friday, I believe we're still going to continue to go down right here in this range. And then on Monday, I see no news to pump up the stock again to get people, investors, excited. So then I feel like it's going to continue to just trade in a very narrow range, and that's going to depend on Friday where the stock price drops. I don't see buyers coming in and buying it up. I feel like the frenzy, it's over. It was really quick, really fast. In essence, it was for 2 days. The first day with the insiders, and then the public, the general public, and now everyone trying to cash out. Like, okay, we're done. Moving on. So be very careful. That's why you got to be very careful when investing. And investing isn't always guaranteed. It's not gonna, everyone says hold for the long run. It'll bring you profits in the long run. Yes and no. I believe in a year it will not be at this price range. It will be at its real market price once the company's up and running, actually making generic drugs, bringing out statements of this is how much money we made with the pharmaceuticals. We're starting to pay back the debt, and investors will start to calculate a real price, and that real price can even still be in this range. Maybe people are already overpaying. People are basically overpaying right now. But then what is going to be the real range? Again, if the sellers will not sell and no buyers will come in, it would just trade stagnant. I continue to think it's going to be between $10 to $20. And this is going to be on for the future. It's going to have its spikes like every other stock once a little bit of news comes out, a little bit of hype. For example, they might say in a month from now, okay, we got our first generic drugs rolling out. Everything looks good. I believe the stock will rally and pump up, and then, but it's just going to be waves. But unfortunately, today is the fall of Kodak. Be very careful. Always be careful when you're doing your own research. If you're looking at YouTube videos, they're not the most reliable. I try to bring you guys unbiased opinions and tell you guys what I'm doing. I did not buy anything. I did not short. I did not even play any contracts. The IV, the implied volatility, took these contracts to the roof. So even option contracts were dangerous. If you made some gains, great. If you didn't, it's time to move on. I do continue to believe this is the fall. I do not see it doing a 180 on us and spiking up tomorrow or Monday. I do not see that. I feel like it's just, it lost the hype. Everything, all the investors are gone. The buyers are gone. Now it's just sellers. People who actually have stock are gonna be like, oh, I guess I have to sell because I actually don't want this. I'm losing money. I'm down 20%. I'm down 10%. I'm down 30%. Unfortunately, some people might be even down as much as 50%. Anyone that got this stock for under $20 and they're still holding, I guess they're doing good, but at the same time, it's only a matter of time before this stock crosses under $20. So again, have an investment strategy, have an exit plan. If you have some stock of Kodak, you know, tell yourself, I'm gonna exit at this price, or no, I am actually gonna hold for the long run. But again, in my unbiased opinion, I'm not investing in this company. I think it's just gonna trade, it's in a year from now, we're gonna see it in this price range between 10 to 20. And once again, like I said, we get the actual market value, book value, for investors to get a good idea of what really the stock should be priced at. If you want to take a better look at the charts and see what's going on in real time in the 1 minute chart, in the 5 minute chart, and be able to better predict where the trends are coming and where the trends are going, be sure to click the link in the description. It is an affiliate for you to sign up and get Webull, get 2 free stocks when you deposit your first $100. Webull is great, way better than Robinhood in my opinion. I will be making videos on how to use it, how to read it, and how to understand the graphs. The benefits of having Webull, it's just really amazing. If you were just on Robinhood and just looking at your phone, you're just like, oh, why is it going down? Why is it going down? It doesn't give you the information that Webull does, and the trends and the EMIs, the moving averages, to get a better grasp of, oh gosh, maybe I should not have bought it. In the morning, Kodak exploded all the way to 60%. So when there was a dip, people bought in. You know, this looks like a dip, and people were like, yeah, but then look, the sellers were in control the whole time, and in Robinhood you would not see that type of technicality. So make sure to check out Webull. Don't fall for this. Be very careful when investing. Don't fall for a very blank, stagnant graph. Make sure to get Webull, link in the description. And again, 2 free stocks when you deposit $100. So that's it from me, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? Are you holding any Kodak, or were you able to cash in some gains? We want to know. Be very careful. Investing is very risky. None of my videos are advice. I just try to bring you guys the news and tell you guys where I see the trends going. Again, it's the fall. It's going to continue to fall. If it goes up, there has to be a valid reason why buyers are coming in once again to bring up the stock up. But unfortunately today, and here's the crazy thing, it opened up 60% high, so 60% high. It was really, it looked really good, but unfortunately now it's 30% from the high. It's down 32%, and overall it's now down 14, almost 15%. Damn, the bell has not been rung yet. It's 12:52. But unfortunately, the last minute sellers are coming in. There's no buyers. I do not see any buyers coming in, swooping in, like I said. That's it from me, guys. Be very careful. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. That way you get my videos in your feed. That way to keep you updated with what the heck is in the stock market. As an investor, you need to get as much information as you can. And once again, I try to bring you guys the most valuable information. So once again, subscribe, leave a comment, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.